Hi everyone. Today will be my last and fourth kidney disease awareness recipe. It's actually going to be a twofer. I'm going to make two recipes, but I'll serve them together. The first thing that I'm going to make is Southwestern Cornmeal Muffins, and this comes from the Mayo Clinic. What all goes into the Southwestern Cornmeal Muffins? 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 cup fat-free milk, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup egg substitute, 1 1/4 cups stone ground cornmeal. I ordered this off of Amazon. 1 cup fresh or cream style corn. I have the cream style. And 1/2 green bell pepper chopped. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Take your muffin liners and put them in 12 muffin cups and set it aside. Take a large bowl and add your 1 cup flour, your 1/4 cup sugar, and your 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and whisk that together. And set it aside. In a separate bowl, combine your 1 cup of fat-free milk, the 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, the 1/2 cup of egg substitute, the 1 1/4 cups of the stone ground cornmeal, the 1 cup of cream corn or fresh corn, and the 1/2 of a green pepper chopped. Mix that up. With the egg substitute, that's a lot easier to mix up than just a regular egg. Add your cornmeal mixture to the flour mixture and blend until just moistened, and it can be a little bit lumpy. You want to make sure that all of the white from the flour mix is combined. And once that's combined, then it's pretty much mixed. You don't want to overmix it. And then ladle the mix into your cupcake liners, probably about 3/4 of the way up. And I'll finish that and I'll be back. So I had some left, so I put it in a 5x3 loaf pan, and I've got 12 muffins. Put it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 minutes or until they are lightly brown. So after 21 minutes, the Southwestern Cornmeal Muffins came out of the oven. You can let them cool a little bit and then eat them warm, or you can eat them cold. And this is in addition to the other recipe, which I'll clue you in just a little bit. So for the second recipe, for my fourth and final kidney disease awareness recipe, I'll be making chili. And this recipe comes from the Mayo Clinic. So what all goes into the kidney-friendly chili? 1 pound extra lean ground beef, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 2 large tomatoes chopped, or you could use 2 cups canned unsalted chopped tomatoes, 4 cups canned unsalted kidney beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 1/2 tablespoons chili powder or to taste, 2 tablespoons cornmeal. I thought I had some regular cornmeal. All I have is the stone ground yellow cornmeal. That will have to work. And to top, jalapeno peppers, seeded and chopped. This is not included in the nutritional information, and it is optional. So let's begin. Take a soup pot, dump in your 1 pound of lean ground beef, and your 1/2 cup of chopped onions, and cook those over medium heat until the beef is brown and the onions are translucent. Once the beef is brown and the onions are translucent, drain your grease. Mine was 93%, so I did not have much grease. Then add your 2 large tomatoes, your 4 cups of unsalted kidney beans, your 1 cup chopped celery. Give that a stir. I also added chili powder that I forgot to mention, and cover and cook for 10 minutes, stirring often. So then add as much water as you want to your desired consistency. I don't want it too runny. I'm thinking a little bit more, not much. Okay, so I did about 2 cups. And then add your 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. Stir that thoroughly until it's all mixed. And then let it cook for about 10 minutes to get the flavors all mixed up. And you leave it uncovered. Here is the chili garnished with jalapeno slices, and also the Southwestern Cornmeal Muffins. They are both kidney friendly, and the recipes are both from the Mayo Clinic. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This smells peppery.
And you're going to be taste testing both of them.
2 of these, so I'm taste testing. This is my 2.
No.
So I'm tasting it looks like chili.
It is chili.
And cornbread.
That is Southwestern Cornmeal Muffins.
Okay. I'm going to get a taste of this first, just because. Oh, it's got some peppers in it too.
Yeah, it's got green bell pepper.
Okay. Well, that's good.
And the chili only has the jalapenos on top. Spicy or just hot?
That's good. They are both good. Now my little muffins are going in here so I can finish this. That's just my little thing. Anyway, this is all good stuff. I like both of them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.